Bye, Charlie. Yeehaw!
He's fast. He's fast as lightning, y'all.
You texting? Oh, there's a car. I thought there was a car, man. It's a truck, man. We're gonna trick him, everyone. Oh my god, guys, he's getting in my nose. I wonder if this man could possibly eat me. If you begin. My other video still uploaded. You should go watch that one. It's uploaded. I want you to add that video. Yeah, we are out here making videos. You should go watch my newest video. My newest video that's gonna upload soon. Bye. Totally watch out. It's really going once it's uploaded. Yeah, guys. Ooh, man. This is bike number 7 vlog. That's the one we're not counting as a vlog, we're counting as a challenge. If you want to do it count as a vlog, but I don't really consider that vlog. I'm gonna go over by Well, we didn't do anything bad. Or we didn't even do anything bad.
I know, but I was so concerned. I was so confused. I was like, am I getting pulled over somehow? I'm going to the flower. All the
Okay.
manually biking. I'm trying to wait for my phone up. Like, load.
Okay.
So it's at 475
$4.75.
out of 481.
Yeah, mine only updated early this morning, so I'm able to make biking videos again.
Yeah, I didn't upload it. But I don't have mine scheduled to upload.
How much? We will give you a we will give you a painting if you can get some of the trains go back there without. We will give you a brand new one of those sets because 19's paint that you've seen. If you can guess how much of those train things there were.
Cargo?
Yeah, cargo. My bad. Yeah, cargo.
Alright, stop for a second. Stop. Hit the brakes. Hit the brakes. No, cars are good. Half your dice inside the car.
Okay, guys. Savage Customs 19 is having some problem. Let's adjust that camera quality real quick.
That's weird. I don't know why I did that.
He's recording now, guys.
That's weird.
He's making his vlog, guys. Go check it out on Savage Customs 19.
I don't know why I did that.
He's recording his vlog.
How's my light? Is it like facing down?
It's facing down, yeah.
There you go. Yep.
What's up, guys?
What's up, guys? It's your boy Savage Customs back with another
And
video.
Exotic 5682.
Now today, we're gonna do a video.
I'm biking.
We better hurry because I think it's the park.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go
And
to the park.
We're going to the park, man?
Why not? For the high school, there's nothing to do.
Yeah, true. Come on, go faster.
Oh my god. Okay, I have to redo this because the stupid software update thing told me. Okay, what's up, guys? Back with another video.
Hey, Exotic 5682. We're out here biking today.
Out here biking with another light on.
We're going to the park, by the way, guys.
I wish I had a backlight. I need to get a backlight and a thing for my bike. For the water. Okay, let's go.
Okay, we go.
Going.
Oh, we can't make it to red light. I don't have school, by the way, guys. I don't have school tomorrow because I get my cast off, and I can only do one Zoom tomorrow. But Mom said I can skip through it. I think. No, Mom said that I don't have to go to Zoom tomorrow if I don't want to because I'm getting my cast off.
Oh, you're so lucky.
Yes, I know. I'm from Poland. Yeah. It's gonna be fun to get my cast off. This is vlog number 7 on my channel. Yeah, what's yours? Vlog number like 11, 12?
I think 12.
Yeah, I made an hour. I made both of my videos I made today were over an hour long. I'm not gonna try to make this an hour long, obviously, because it's getting darker. But I just wanted to point that out. 10, 9, 11, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I'm so excited, guys. I am not excited to sit soon, but I'm excited to get my cast off. Because I don't know, like this because you can't really see, so you oh, I think it's a football game. I don't know. But hey, we're just out here making video calling. I've biked before. I've biked 2 times without my camera. I've biked times. This is my third time biking with my camera. I've biked 5 times in the guys. What, man? Ooh, yeah.
Look at this Dodge, this Mustang. Look at the Mustang.
I've been Mustang, okay.
Dodge, we're gonna go through the park.
Why? Hang up here. Wait, we should go to that one route we went one time. Wait, follow me. No, I got a place we could go on camera. We never went. Come on, can we go there, please? You want to go to that one place? We've never been there on camera. Hopefully we can go there, guys, because it's a sick place. I promise I'll try my best again. We should just go over there. It'd be fun to go over there. You're going the wrong way from where I want us to go. But it doesn't matter. I'm not going to start complaining in the video. This will only be for person complaint. We're going through here, guys. I definitely don't know where we're going. Just kidding, guys. We know. We know. Yep, we're going to Plymouth, guys. Plymouth. Can you get some check? I knew he was going to turn left. We'll shoot if you really want to. But Savage Custom 19, they want to kill me. We're far out because why not? Hopefully we can do a nice vlog. I don't think we'll be able to take something tomorrow, I think. We'll see. Well, it's nice in this corner. This didn't come horrible. It was nice back to that corner. And that's the end of the shoot with just that, guys. What's that? Is it off trail? Yeah. That's private property, probably.
Yeah, probably, but...
Oh, it'd be fun to explore, but I don't think we will be allowed to if you get in trouble.
Tesla Model Z, go!
Tesla Model X is over here. He's racing. Nah, I'm not gonna race with my camera on. Yeah, guys, for the sake of... He's only supposed to go 20 miles on that. Yeah, his thing beeps. His thing goes past 20. So if it beeps, you know that percentage from that doing over 20. Whoa, Savage Customs 19. You're a mouth pet, Savage Customs 19 has just said. Oh my god, stop, you're ruining the video.
Watch out, there's a stick.
Watch out. Watch out, there's a butt one. Okay, this is a typical...
Watch out, cutting off. Oh!
Oh, my funny, I would have gotten that on cam, too. Okay, guys, let's go. We'll be back in another video. Dang, what's your cam? Oh. Savage Customs 19. Oh, it smells horrible. I think it's gonna start raining soon. It's gonna start raining soon. The clouds are starting to Clouds are starting to go.
Clouds?
Yeah. It smells horrible here. Dude, pass me. I probably won't turn back there in the can. I don't worry about that. I think I'm gonna start like recording somewhere, but yeah. Yeah, I'm coming, but waiting for you. Alright, wanna get that? Wanna check that out? He's getting that. Look at this pool. It's good play. My car's in every shot I can. Off camera, I won't play fast. Who's been doing dance over there? I'll come to my other puppy. What is it? What is it doing? So I'm just cruising. It doesn't even wait for me, guys. Oh my god. Let's go. I'll call his face. Wanna vlog? We're police guys. You must know to go with there. Yeah, me, the camera guy. I'm the cameraman who calls it off. Bet you like being on cam. That's what only I'm following job, guys. I think it's up for tree policy. Triple Savage, Customs 19. Can you please wait for me? I don't have to do an outro for it. After how was I keeping up with a good old car? This car's going? I've only known Savage Customs 19 something. Yo, he's standing right, get him, that's be his butt. I'm about to kill someone. Listen to me. This would be again. Say? I got his blunt cam too.
Yeah.
Got his blunt cam. There's a car coming, you moron.
go if you're going. Jesus Christ.
Savage Cam. You're being savage. That's Brian Cam. I always think the camera is fun. All people that do things stupid getting on camera.
Huh?
It's funny because all the stupid people get on camera.
Yeah.
They're stupid. I'm like, you like being on camera? I'm like, yeah, but it's on cam.
Nice Ford Focus.
Yeah, it's on cam, boy. We should be.
Nice Chevy too, boy. JK.
Yeah, I was about to say Seth. That's me.
Seth, you okay?
Yeah, you okay in the head, buddy?
He was looking at.
I got his blind cam too. We see. That car almost hit that car. In my video, I think that car almost hit that.
Okay, go one, go.
Go. You ain't stop and get your blind cam. You'll be recording. Boom, boom, boom. You like being on cam, man? Let's go on for you. Why? Why are you always talking like a traitor? Why you always riding? Today's the goal. It's a good.
High school.
We're cops. We're bike coppers. I'm the guy that I'm the camera person. You're the person that actually does it. Yeah, if anything, if he'd be the bike cop, I'd be the camera person. He'd be so far behind.
What?
I said I'd be the camera person. The camera. If you should be the police officer, I should be the cam.
So we're just waiting for somebody speeding.
No one's gonna speed. Oh, it was me. I thought that was someone else, but I'm. Watch his biggest brain part. What? What?
So do you know how fast you were going over there?
5 miles an hour.
No.
How fast?
You're doing 40.
Oh, okay. I'll go get me a ticket.
Nope. No, we're not going that way. You gotta turn around. I'm going this way, Tate. I don't know.
I was trying to pursue from you. It would be a really bad idea.
If he runs, then
Look at this vlog. Look at this cam vlog. Look at this cam go.
Impeding traffic. Now we got a runner. We got a runner. Sir, pull over. No. Pull over, no. Sir, pull over. All right. Camera, don't off-road it.
Okay. Okay.
Oh my God! You just hit my cop car. That's it. You might want to run, sir. We're not going that way. We're going to the left.
I know. I'm doing that.
We got a traffic cone. Where are you Better luck next time, bud. Got him to fix it, boy.
What's up, guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel. We been straight racing.
Street racing. Oh wait, we gotta roll. We gotta do a roll race, roll start. So you gotta line up with me while you're still going.
Oh, okay. We got a number one. With the camera.
GTR wins.
Hang on, sit by. Whoa!
You gotta sir.
What?
Do not hit an officer. Ow, stupid.
Just for Jesus. It's starting to get dark, my guy. If I never get to you. Bro! Yeah, how'd you feel someone was going 20 miles an hour fast as they could by someone who was just biking? You're gonna do the same thing again.
Oh my God, Tate, I'm gonna hit you.
Yeah, because you're being a moron right now. Maybe all he's doing is just going fast in front of me, almost hitting me. If he hits me and I get killed, Mom's gonna kill him. Not gonna do no. I'm not gonna bike. I'm just gonna bike home. Should I like ditch you guys? It's like 5682's about to do the same thing. Just go. Just go. See his reaction. Oh, it's coming. He's coming. He's coming. Guys, frog. It's getting nighttime. It's getting nighttime. No, don't try this one.
I'm gonna end this video. Back to my music.
What's the video at? You got another one of that vlog for you. Just ripped up vlogging town. We got number one thing. This is only a nighttime vlog, as you can see. And then I got that little camera. Me and some kind. Another savage. We got another one like 5, 16. Just like that to me.
Mine's better because it goes faster.
You aren't a car, Seth. We got another exact 568 vlog. Just like that vlog. Yeah.